there, I'm Misty Ann, back in my closet with another wardrobe planning quick tip for you. My quick tip for you tonight has to do with clothing care. So a lot of times you have these annoying tags in your clothes and you would really just rather clip them out, but if you're like me, then you forget what the clothing care instructions are, and those really do matter because it's surprising the things that you can throw in the dryer versus the things that you cannot throw in the dryer, so it's kind of handy to have those. What I have started doing is when I have clothing care, like for instance this new parka that I just got from Athleta, which I love, by the way. I will post a link in the description. The clothing care instructions are actually on these tags, which obviously I'm not going to keep. That's just more clutter in my closet. But I can take a picture of these, and then I have got a folder in my camera file called clothing care, and that's what I'm doing. So I will just take a picture of the tags with the jacket so that I remember which piece of clothing they go to, and then I'll save this to that clothing care album, and then when I need to see how to care for this, I can just look that up. And it's even more helpful if you actually label those pictures with a name and maybe put them on a folder somewhere like in Dropbox or something where you can search on them by name or color or however you want to organize, and then you're not just scrolling through a lot of pictures, you actually have some organization. So that is my quick tip for you tonight. If this was helpful, please give me a like, please subscribe, and please join me this Sunday evening. I'm going to be doing my next wardrobe cleaning session back with my friend Leila Madden in her closet, and it will be a lot of fun, so please join us. In the meantime, have a great rest of your week.